Are you spending hundreds or even thousands of dollars on Facebook ads without seeing the results you expected? If so, you're making one of the same mistakes that thousands of businesses make every day. Many business owners believe Facebook ads don't work. In reality, it's rarely the platform. More often, it's the campaign strategy. The first mistake is relying on the boost post button instead of building a campaign with clear objectives and proper targeting. The second mistake is targeting everyone. Successful campaigns speak to a specific audience with a clear message.
Creative matters more than many people realize. If your ad doesn't grab attention in the first few seconds, your audience keeps scrolling. Even a great ad can't fix a poor landing page. Speed, clarity, and trust all affect whether visitors become customers. Without conversion tracking, you're making decisions without reliable data. Metapixel helps you understand what happens after someone clicks your ad. Winning advertisers test continuously. Small improvements in headlines, visuals, or audiences can significantly improve campaign performance. Increasing budget too quickly often hurts performance. Scaling should be gradual and based on consistent results. Successful advertisers don't focus only on clicks. They measure profitability, customer acquisition cost, and long-term growth. The best campaigns are optimized regularly, not left running without review. Many businesses also benefit from combining Meta ads with Google ads, reaching customers at different stages of their buying journey. Great advertising isn't about selling immediately. It's about guiding the right people through each stage of the customer journey. When your campaigns are built correctly, you don't just get more traffic, you get more qualified leads.
Consistent optimization often makes the difference between average campaigns and exceptional ones. Advertising success isn't luck. It's a process built on testing, analysis, and continuous improvement. Consistent optimization often makes the difference between average campaigns and exceptional ones. Whether you're spending $20 a day or managing larger budgets, the same fundamentals apply. Whether you're spending $20 a day, the goal isn't simply to spend less, it's to achieve better results with every dollar invested. At Ethical Marketing Media, I share practical strategies, campaign breakdowns, and actionable insights to help businesses advertise effectively. If you're looking for guidance with Meta ads or Google ads, or you'd like a professional review of your current campaigns, I'd be glad to help. Feel free to reach out using the contact details below.